guys, this is Michelle with Signature Market Realty, and we are going to do a drive-through neighborhood tour of Sharps Glen. This is the newest, one of the newest neighborhoods that's being built in the Seymour area, and the builder is DR Horton. And this neighborhood is located off of Titsworth Springs Road. It's close proximity to Chapman Highway, so it's very easy for commuting into Sevierville or Knoxville. There are single-story and two-story floor plans available. And there's a couple phases in this neighborhood. This is the first phase. So these homes, they were completed first, and most of them are already occupied. And we're on Ellery Drive. Most of the homes in this neighborhood do have very nice mountain views. All right, so we'll exit this phase, and then we will go on over to the second phase. And again, this is Titsworth Springs Road out here. And I actually have not driven through the second phase yet, so this will be new for me as well. All right, so we are turning on Lockington Lane. Looks like there's a little pond behind some of these homes. Looks like they're just completing another home. Looks like they are fully built, but I do believe as of today, July 11th, 2025, there are still some homes available. So if you're interested in any of those, I'd be happy to take video, do a video tour of inside the home. Just let me know. And that is it. So thank you for watching this tour, and please subscribe, and I'll be posting more neighborhood tours. And again, this is the Sharps Glen community. It's a DR Horton community. Until next time.